Hey, Darby here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a quick tip that I picked up this week from one of our live workshops. It was actually from Kelley Tenney. We were demonstrating the buyer's brief and going into the different market segments that we were diving into and dissecting. So we started with Kelley's market. She was targeting coaches and consultants for her Teacher Billions business, and we took the initial buyer's blueprint, and at the bottom of it, it had a few different offer targets. And so that was, what are some different variations of the target market that your offer could be positioned to within the master buyer's blueprint that we created? And what was really interesting that Kelley said was, after she had ran this brief and had these different offer targets laid out in front of her, obviously it'd be a lot of content to go and create different lead magnets and messaging for each one of those 10. And you could certainly do so. But what Kelley did was she took the insights that she got from those top 10, and then she started working with ChatGPT and her buyer's brief, asking it simple questions like, hey, based on these different targets of my market, are there any connections or correlations that you can make that might show some commonalities between these different segments of my market? And from that question that Kelley prompted ChatGPT, it identified a couple different unique characteristics or traits or things that might overlap among these different segments of the market. And so with those insights, Kelley then took it a step further and started working with ChatGPT that, based on those the things that kind of cross over amongst these different segments of our market, what is a potential lead magnet that could solve the top pain points of that market segment? And so ChatGPT then kept working with her to go deeper down that rabbit hole, which ultimately led her to making a much more refined and focused lead magnet that's speaking to different segments of our market, but the commonalities and the pain points that they may be experiencing. So just to consolidate her efforts, Kelley did the research and took a high level view at the different segments within her overall market, and then used AI to help with identifying some commonalities amongst these different market segments. And with those commonalities, what are the common pain points associated with them, to then go and create a lead magnet that speaks directly to those pain points, and thus attracting more people into Kelley's audience and network who she can help solve that specific pain point in a unique and a different way that only Kelley can do so. So that's a quick tip in terms of your approach with using AI for problem solving and identifying unique problems for the customers and clients within your market. Go deep on your overall market segment, and then look at the different targets within your market that you might be speaking to, and work to identify the different commonalities amongst the different targets of your market to create even more focused content, lead magnets, and engagement and messaging to land on the ears of those customers and clients, and open up more conversations to discuss, your offers and your services to help them with solving that problem. So all that said, if you like the tips that we just gave here today, make sure that you're subscribed and you like this video, and share it with someone who you think might find this helpful. And make sure you're subscribed to us as well at GenAIUniversity.com. Our newsletter is free, and it gives you all the updates, the insights, and different tools and exclusive deals that only people on our newsletter have access to, as well as inside of our paid communities, which you'll get more information on our website. Okay, sound good? See you in the next video. My name is Darby Rollins. Subscribe, like, and hit notify. We'll see you in the next video.